Hey, good afternoon. Today we're taking a look at 1299 Innis. This is currently for sale on the southeast side of Columbus, Ohio. Reasons we like it: it's a single-story, small home, outdated, needs a lot of updating, and it's 130 grand on the market. What I like about this home is that it's priced kind of a little too high for most investors to go after. I'm sure they will eventually. It's new on the market, so I doubt they'll accept a lower cash offer. They very well might. But right now, the sort of arena is open for live-in, flip, or owner occupants who could potentially get into this property for very little down with an FHA loan, and then as they live there, fix it up, or even do an FHA 203K loan to help with some cost to rehab it. This is really where the money is going to be made. This basement, to me, when we went down there, was asking to be finished. There's already a full bathroom down here behind this green wall, and it's asking to have either like a whole apartment suite thing put down there, or simply just make it into a legal bedroom so that you can get that forced appreciation. So that's the home. That's why we like it. It's livable. It's across from a green space. Oh, and it's got an extra lot. I forgot about that. It comes with an extra lot out the back that you could theoretically either keep or sell off, or build on for additional added value. So for like a first investment, low barrier to entry, and being able to just get into this thing for a couple grand, I haven't seen very many deals that have been better. This gives you an idea of the lot. It pretty much goes at that telephone pole, I think is probably where it stops, or where that separating line is, but that's a lot. So all that said, where do the numbers lie? So if we were to do this, we assume that we're going to have an ARV of 235 after we're done. We can only pull out 80% of that, or 188,000. So our total all-in budget is 188 to be able to pull all of our money out. That includes purchase and it includes rehab. I threw out an estimated rehab in order to do that basement of 75 grand. And that was actually a little over pulling everything out, and we'd leave about 14 or 13.3 in the deal. That's not the end of the world to me. Honestly, I'm fine with that because this is speculation at this point. For a person to move in there and do this work as they go and then do that major basement renovation, I think it'd be a couple of years for the most part. My point is this could go up, but even if you don't pull everything out, who cares? It's still a great deal. You've essentially added damn near 100 grand of value to this home, and it's yours, and you get to keep it as the homeowner and do with it what you will. So from a starting financial freedom, starting your investment journey, I haven't seen a home like this come on the market that offers as much potential in a long time. So really interesting move here. If you have any questions, reach out. Be happy to walk you through the numbers and how they would work out in your specific situation. Talk soon.